After bouncing on the trampoline for a little, I get a little hungry. So I'm just going to bounce on into the kitchen and make myself a sweetie treaty. I'm Bridget, and today we're making sponge toffee. We're going to need 1 cup of sugar, an 1/8 cup of corn syrup, quarter cup of water, and a teaspoon of vanilla. We're just bringing this to a gentle boil on medium-low. So we're just going to take off our candy thermometer. We're placing it on a little bit of parchment paper. And then you're going to want to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and then stir it really quickly. And then immediately you're going to want to place that right into your pan with lined with parchment paper or buttered or greased, just so it doesn't stick. You're not going to want to flatten this out with any spatula. All it will do is deflate it. You're going to want to let that set for about an hour to an hour and a half to let it set and cool down. Okay, and now it's almost done. You just need to whack it so that it turns into a beautiful honeycomb envelope. Oh my God, that is so good. Thanks for watching Bridget in the Kitchen.